Hi, today we're going to talk about two tests that you can do to check on someone's circulation. It's called the capillary refill test or the blanching test. So, of course, why we do it is maybe we see redness on a person's skin, due to an injury or maybe a recent surgery. And how we do it is for the blanching test, you press down on the skin near the injured site and you press down for 5 seconds. Now what should happen is the skin should turn white because you're pushing the blood away from that area. When you release after the 5 seconds, that skin that was white should return to its normal color or what color it was before. That shows good circulation. When you do the capillary refill test, that is simply pressing with 2 fingers, a finger or a toe, and that is also doing the same thing. It's checking to see if, the skin goes white and blood returns to that area. Now, different outcomes can occur with each of these tests, and they mean different things. Seems like a simple test, but it actually gives us a lot of information. One outcome could be that the skin does blanch, it does turn white when it's pressed upon, and the color does return in 3 seconds. That is the determining amount of time that they say that the skin should return to the color it was. And if it does that, that's great news, but you still want to, if the redness is still there somewhat, you still want to do some investigating. You want to do further skin inspection just to make sure there's no other indicators that maybe further tests should be done. Now, another outcome could be that the color doesn't return, and this could mean that there's a circulation issue, possibly an arterial insufficiency problem that needs to be addressed. Now, let's say you press down on that skin and it doesn't turn white. Blanching does not occur. Again, this is an issue that needs to be further investigated because this could be a big problem for the healing process, and it could lead to other issues. You could, if this was the case, you could wait 15 minutes and do the test again. And you could also take a distal pulse. That would give you some more information as well. Distal from where the injury or wound is. You definitely want to alert the PT if you have either one of these issues where the color doesn't return or blanching doesn't happen. And it goes to show you that a simple test like this can really reveal quite a bit. I hope you enjoyed my video and maybe learned something you didn't know before. Thank you.